Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Gita Global School. So, from your Together with General Awareness Class 6 book, today we are going to read chapter number 7. So, children, the name of the chapter is Close Connections. So, let's come to the chapter and see what is given here. In a cross-cultural exchange program, students from countries like India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. So 4 countries children meet each other at a school in India. So in a cultural cultural exchange program, 4 countries, that is Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and India, students of these different countries they met and they were curious to know about each other's countries, isn't it? When you meet people of some other country, you are very curious to know about their things. So let's see, you have to guess what they are talking about. So let's see, children, question number 1. You can see this is Indian student and this is Bangladeshi. So the Indian tells Bangladeshi, the currency in my country is rupee. What is the currency in your country? So children, you know that the currency of India is rupee. So what is the currency of Bangladesh? Taka. Okay, Taka, Taka. Now see number 2. Myanmaris is telling to Indian student. The movement for democracy has been suppressed by the military rule in our country, and one of our famous political activists who was also the winner of Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1991 has been put under house arrest. Can you tell her name? So this famous political activist of Myanmar is what happened? Won Nobel Peace Prize but has been put under house arrest. So you have to name that person. So Indian answers Aung San Suu Kyi. AUNG Aung San. SAN San Suu. SW Suu. KYI Kai. Now see question number 3. Do you know that India is the largest democracy in the world? So Indian student is telling to a Myanmari student. Now what does Myanmari student ask to the Indian student? In which year did India gain independence? So I think every one of you know this answer, that when did India got independence? It was in the year 1947, isn't it? Okay. Next. See, Myanmaris is telling to Bangladeshi. Can you name the chief figure in the history of Bangladesh independence? So behind Bangladesh independence, whoever is the chief figure, Myanmaris is asking to the Bangladeshi student. So he is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. See the spelling, SHEIKH, Sheikh Mujibur, MUZIBUR, Rahman, RAHMAN. Question number 5. Bangladeshi to Indian. Our independence came about in the recent past. Can you tell the year? So when did Bangladesh got independence? In the year 1971. So children, last question of this chapter. Sri Lankan is telling to Indian. Do you know the strait that connects other countries? What is the name of this strait? You know, every one of you, I think. Park Strait, PLK Park Strait. Okay, so read this chapter. Thank you.